Okay, I think this one's gonna be kind of a short film. I just want to capture this little spot. Up there is a Royal Hotel, and you keep going up, it goes up to Gia Hill. There's a lighthouse that's way up there as well. And the traffic kind of comes around here real quick, and you can kind of capture some of the scenery here. It leads into this. And there's also this little pedestrian street down that way. It's a pork chop bun, stuff like that. So I think what we're gonna do is kind of highlight this little spot and label it accordingly. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're just going to label it. Let me just kind of capture a little bit of what's going on up here. So up there we have a overpass, goes all the way down that way as well. And that goes up to Royal, of course. Gia Lighthouse. Let's kind of go this way. This is a haircut place. That guy is actually the guy, so sometimes I've been coming here lately to get my haircut. I think that's his wife, I think. Do a little look up here. You got the energy of this whole street. What we're gonna do is just kind of walk into this alley a little bit, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like, basically. So kind of a quiet little alley, but actually there's a marketplace, so it could be busier. Okay, let me just kind of walk in briefly. It doesn't look that interesting to walk down that way, so I think I'm just going to capture these this little corner area more than anything. This one has kind of Macau's food, and popular with tourists, with these pork chop buns, kind of like that tomato sauce with whatever that might be. I don't know. It's kind of like pasta, or some kind of tomato pasta. It's pretty tasty, actually. Kind of a mix of all kinds of stuff. Some bread. Okay. But our focus really is more about this corner, and I just want to capture it because it is kind of the energy in this spot feels kind of cool. Like when you come across it, it's just like you just kind of pass through real quick just for a moment, and there's this kind of strangeness about it. Because you got, you know, a one-way street that comes down off of Gia Hill. You got some other traffic that comes from north, south, and it kind of moves along here. Then you got some like Thai town kind of stuff, it goes all the way to Top Siak down that direction as well. Some fast moving traffic, and you have to go up the overpass to get over it. So it's kind of an interesting dynamics. And yeah, and then the elevator that takes you up to the other side. And I'm just going to come down to the end real quick. I'll be 1 minute and I'll be back. I'm going to get my hair cut there in a second. We're just going to I just want to film down here real quick. I have to run back and get my hair cut. I usually get my hair cut. I have like different places that I go, and that's one of them that I kind of want to go to. So let me just kind of capture this before we just end this video. And this street's called Rua de Campo. I have to hurry and get back in case somebody else comes. Happy Valentine's Day. And I don't want to highlight it too much, but there's kind of a lot of interesting stuff here. But anyways, I'm going to go back there and get my hair cut, so she's waiting for me now. Alright, so that's another one. I'll leave it recording. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.